Hey guys, this is how we at AEX like to see a excavator be inspected for video. So we're gonna look at the undercarriage. Obviously this is rubber padded, so it's a little different, but sprockets, pads. This excavator has a blade. Get a good video of that undercarriage. Then hydraulics. Your thumb. Obviously, with whatever attachment it has, get the info on that, and also make sure that everything's good on the attachment, being a bucket or whatever it may be. Your rams, your pins. Make sure everything's greased. Going inside, just get a good video of that. You know, turn the machine on, show your hours. Then that's about it for a video inspection for an excavator.